Hello, everybody. This is Dave Wallace coming to you from Wahiawa, Hawaii, and it's feedback time for the Mega Million draw that just was completed. And here's the results, okay? And there are two numbers that I hit. Six I hit using the pictures. 6 and 16 I hit using the pictures, and 16 was the only number I hit here. Take a look at the numbers 3, 6, 16, 18, 58, and the bonus ball was 11. Just looking at the way the numbers came out is very difficult to understand if this is a winning combination. But we see people play all kinds of different numbers, yeah? So we see how the night ends up. Anyway, so as far as number distributions, interesting. The number 16 is a returning number that was not part of the 20 number set that I was looking at, but I chose it in this section. And there's a bunch of greens. I'm going to be marking the greens um, in this format, but not in my pictures, just to show you the how close the placement is. So, although I only hit one and stuff, all of these numbers are basically one-offs. Okay, and so it's getting there. Interesting number sets right here is 17 and 7, and how close it is to the actual numbers that were drawn right here. Okay, and I wasn't expecting small numbers like this. I was expecting larger, but that's the way the numbers are drawn anyway. Okay, so um, there are four numbers that were part of the number groups up here. Here's 18, which is part of Group B, which is games number 5 through 8. And then just over from games number um, 9 through 12, there's more numbers. You got number 3 and 58, and then the the fourth section over here, you got the number 6. Okay, so 11 and 16 were numbers that were returning after being gone. Okay, and let's take a look at how my picture sets perform. The candle was the strongest um, picture to come, and in fact, it was really persistent. While I was meditating, it came to me right away and grabbed my attention. And so for the number 16, I also paired it with number 6 because both are long tubes. Okay, so um, just in this one sketch, I hit two numbers, 16 and 6. Okay, then it's really interesting. Take a look at the way I draw the 25 over here. This is supposed to be a jungle gym. Just looking at this and the way I draw the handle here on the pistol, there's a connection here going on. Okay. The next number, 58. This is 57, a horseshoe. And if you take a look at the drum, it's kind of like the same shape, yeah. So this is a perceptual issue that I had, and I went the other way, and I went with the bullhorns, number 65. Okay, so that was a perceptual issue. Um, and then for number 3 is a tricycle. I had the arch over here, not a complete circle. Okay, and something going up. So again, perceptual issues. For my feedback for number 18, actually 18 is a voting booth, not golf club, so I made a error there. So A lot of lines running up and down. Okay, so vertical lines, and some of that features right here. So perceptual wise, there's bits and pieces of some of the pictures coming. Some of the pictures coming really strong. Some of them are bits and pieces, and just telling me I need to relax a little bit more. Okay, and the final picture over here for number 11 is the University of Hawaii sports logo, and it's the number 11. Okay, and there's a lot of one-offs. I didn't mark it because I don't want to train my subconscious to accept the one-offs. So I want direct hits only. But as you can see, these are not pretty good numbers. Hitting two is good. Okay, and tonight I'll be working. Tonight I'll be working the Powerball and see how that goes. Okay. And this is Dave Wallace saying mahalo for watching and catch you later. Aloha.